Hi guys, come with me. Let's color my hair. So today my girls are going to be coloring my hair and I'll be measuring the powder dye that she's going to be using. So guys, I've asked her to section my hair into 6 parts because my hair is not very long. So she sectioned the hair into 6 parts. Here I'm measuring the amount of powder dye and then the solution that she's going to be using because I don't want her to waste the dye. So I'll mix it thoroughly for her and then she will start applying it on my hair. So guys, come with me and see the end results. This is exactly what I wanted. I wanted to dye my hair right from when I started cutting the hair, but I don't know, for some reason I didn't later do it. Today I just said, okay, who will dye my hair for me? And she said, oh, I can dye your hair for you. I said, okay, come and try. So she's going to be learning how to color hair with my hair today, and let's see how the end result is going to be looking like. This is the first time she's going to be coloring hair by herself, so without the help of anybody. So let's see the final results together and rate her in the comment section if she tried or not. So guys, watch and I'll see you at the end of the video. So guys, if this is your first time of seeing my channel, you are very much welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, you are also much welcome. And please don't forget to like, share, comment, and lastly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Enjoy the video and I will see you at the end. So guys, we are almost at the end and I'm going to be washing it off. So I waited for I think I waited for close to 1 hour. Then I went to wash it off, and then this is the final result. Tell me in the comment section if she tried or not. Let us know in the comment section. So this is the final result, and I think I like the final result, but at the middle part there were some that did not color. I don't know, because my hair is always very black, so maybe I'm going to be redoing this tint again. But if you like it this way, let me know in the comment section, and if you want me to tint it again, let me know in the comment section also. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to see you on my next one. Bye. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to be part of my amazing YouTube family. Please like, share, comment, and I will see you on my next one. Bye for the second time.